see it, you know, fugitive. We get the file, people. Don't want me up in the boy come from. I'm going to tell you, say, the boy take with the whole of the people them goat. That's why I'm never on the run. Let me tell you something about that sound and fugitive.
And this a black belt. How will some sound boy feel like? DJ Spiggle. How we a feature? No Mighty Diamonds.
Let me tell you something, youth.
Oh yeah. Black belt sound.
All over here, good music. Come on, let them know, man. See it, yeah.
DJ Spiggle never.
See it.
No. DJ Spiggle never run away. No. Black belt sound. Prophesy, say. Oh yeah. And somewhere I go find him box behind the wall.
5 minutes, when I ramp with it. We say we get the file. You take with the people them go down, we get it, so stop run you.
Oh Lord, man. Worries that problem again.
Hey boy, if you not him.
That sound I look no friendly.
What are the people?
Some boys stop playing hide and seek. Round come face the field. Some boy no bother try to like. Black belt with a yap and a dip of position. Some like black belt, but some that I know. Yeah, we get down to the ram of this no. Some like black belt, some that I know. Hey.
Level, me see it. If people, 100 people come here. But guess what now? We are fight for this.
Kill them sound tonight, them little boy.
Hey boy, feel like you know about me boy.
Black belt, I fight them hard, yeah. With the plate and record, yeah.
Hey.
We're fighting to the top. Yes.
Hey.
We'll fight without fear. Lord, we've got to get there. Fighting to the top.
You know why you think people them go to a weapon? Remember tell her why you think people them go to a weapon.
Michael is Rose, on them guys, sting now. Some boy am I red. So red eye sound boy can't taste black belt. Sting now. Red eye sound can't taste black belt. Red eye sound. I rise early looking so.
Hey, sir. Up there, Wooly. We're not raising on. You want no fugitive? We get your file, like you say then.
I see the new girl Tishana, aka Pinky Film.
Alright, we kill him now.
Then for big bad champion sound, I'm a black belt sound man.
Yes, yeah, boy.
I kill you, I kill jump on some boy. I fugitive, I bet they allow the dancing now. Run chat my yeah. Murder them, DVD sound boy. Hey, yeah.
Yeah, tell me you win first one.
Yeah.
Feel that the yeah, boy.
Black belt sound. Black belt can't
See this.
This is no game to play. Right or wrong.
Hey.
Fugitive of a dead tonight. Black belt don't make mistake. Fugitive of a dead same place. It don't matter what you jump and play. Black belt I gonna kill you same way. Black belt have a jump and say.
Level. All who want to banana this banana with him here. Put up your hand. But you know the banana this banana with him. Let me kill him now.
Fugitive, get up on the scene. Black belt comes to
Listen.
cause we're killing my feet. My finger fires is blowing rain. Just to kill you dead tonight.
See that?
Time. Well, black belt. Ah, boy. Anyway, right now, people, we love how the clash are going. So here 5 minutes now. Fugitive, put things from people.
When I itch you no brother. But you have the whole lot of people living there, just a turn up brother. Just a turn up brother. The people who want dance and move on them sitting there brother. Oh, it's a beautiful song. We buy something different, you know. We don't buy custom on them sitting there.
close the people. This is Dean Fraser, brother. Now roll with me, brother. Me don't guess this, brother. Who you really are with, brother?
Sound. Big up, big up, big up, big up. 20 guns. Dwayne. GS.
Only catch the rhythm now. Only catch the rhythm now.
The gal Leville and the gal Chester and the Boston crew. Enough respect, said. Right now, we'll call upon the man Dean Fraser. Come down, Cannon!
Show up with this, brother.
What fugitive sound will do, what we can do. You listen good now. The killer boy in the clash, yes. Oh gosh, yes. So I come balling, for them left with your match, yeah. They know I'm in the place that we got a woo. With the crowd shouting, fugitive, you're too bad, so bad, yes. Little selector guy was standing across the way, yeah. There's an infinity every time we play, yeah. Now he watches from the corner of his eyes, yeah. He knew this move of his was so unwise. Oh, he got looking at the white sound.
Is the champion.
Owen Graham.
Killer jump.
Hold on.
Jump and sound, you think you're fun. That's fugitive, let me blow your mind. Thought you know me well to understand. Fugitive sound is the champion. Love me, leave me. Jump and sound, not try test me. Love me, leave me. See that sound, boy, believe me. You're playing with the champion sound.
Murder sound tonight, my God, fugitive sound. Kill drop pants tonight, oh God, we're gonna kill a sound tonight, my God, 20 guns up. Murder
Hey,
sound.
pull up. Time ago, brother. You see me? I want people to understand something, King. And different people going to dance, King. So we just can't play for one set of people, brother. So listen to
Some said 20 guns. You know the bruv things, cause
yeah, man, a TJ in a Rubber Up Thursdays, yeah.
and yo, Mandeville. Bruv, kick it off like a ball, make it roll. Some boy.
Hold on, you go.
Give me not Tony. All alien na them own alien, so no boy can style him. Fugitive in a them own alien, yeah. Give me not Tony. Them know me, that's why we fried feeling. Tony, hey Tony. Fugitive from this street, on this street, on this street. Yeah, me not Tony. Boy, I feel it down flat, can't get up back.
Hello, me they are playing at ease, I don't want to walk with one bag of screw face, brother. I want that for brother. I want that for brother.
I feel side of boss, I'm representing fugitive, so.
You boy want to walk with one bag of screw face.
Mandeville, Boston, Manchester. Come make them vex. True, we no make friend of the PV make. Gone uptown with a little neat reps. Gun pan belly, the berry turn never left. Took
God.
some pussy a chat of fugitive. Tell us something. Me say we well want kill you. Fugitive son, well want kill you. I don't like and dead pan video. Fugitive them well want kill you. Drive by man, them fi know him mother.
Yo, it's square off, man. Square off. So we all out here and they pan Ray. Now we could have tell you not play no. But we know so smart ears are gonna make mistakes. So it's square off. Alright. You say gun pan belly, you say big gun man rise. So it's square off. Anyway, people make a vote again. All who say that sound here. Black blunt, wind around the little while, let me sound here. Black belt? Sorry, black belt. How much on? See, you can count more 8 over this, so 5 over. Alright, 8 and 5 over, sorry. So all who say fugitive wind around here, make me sound under the ear. Alright, fugitive more than you, man. I'm gonna with the railroad, see? Hear me now, no? People have to go and work a morning. Don't waste your time. Don't waste a holiday. You have some people still have to go and work. Anyway, I dub for them now. So here what? Trooper them ready for come war, you know. Saying, so the best of 7 I'm going to play right now. You hear me I say? Because Scorpio there I'm ready and sing musically. So you hear me now? Are you to start the first round, right? You start. So you hear me now? You have to start the first round now, Fugitive. So I dub for them. The best of 7 win the trophy. So my brother, take it away.
Yeah, man, where I work with, brother. I don't put up this in a king. I get 3 love in a brother. I get 3 love in a brother. Good sport too, brother. Respect, man. Good sport, man. There, man. All the people in the house right now, one item, listen them through them, man, because I know some simple tune that's on them play, man. Listen to one here.
Shining star for you to see what your life can choose.
This is Big Youth.
This is the mighty fugitive sound with Tom.
Listen to sound here, brother.
Jason. Big up. The sound is a star. The fugitive is a star. Oh, fugitive is a star. I'm not sure anymore. Another jump one is on the floor. Selectors we used to see, we don't see them no more. I can feel it deep inside. This great fugitive's pride. See, I have no fear when I say it, and now in every day that fugitive sound can someone.
Why I love that one there. So here we also know black belt.
Yeah, so him there now. See it there? The man say him I'll give it 3 straight. Then him say him not sure anymore. I'm confused. Kingston, let me beat the little ball in half of him now.
Black belt sound. The blueprint sound.
You happy that you? Get up out of here.
Hanover and Florida. Pluton every time.
I am saying if you don't take me to Kingston. Hear ya?
Sound by run when speak. Gonna bust. I kill it sound.
Hey.
Where you play little wine? Gonna bust. Jesus Christ. I won't be here in another minute, but I say no, I won't be here. I don't know what happened, but anyway. Saying, so what I know vote, we have a vote now. You don't understand them sound, man. They know the rule, they know the thing, but anyway. People, only know we build this platform on integrity. This platform is to educate, motivate, empower, enlighten, see, and inspire. And we build a platform to maintain the legacy of reggae music, not to promote murder music. But anyway, all who say black belt wind around their persona. See? Check down now. All who say fugitive wind around them episode on. So, belt, don't do that again. You know me say, right? Alright, don't do it again. So hear me now, fugitive. Take it away, Dada.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, people. We're not wrong with the play. We have the same song, you know, but them select and play that song there every week. When they can't go back and listen to watch a whole like clash them. Then sound they play the same set of song. Listen one sample song, me alone can't play, brother.
This is a very special dub played by the legend.
You play this, me gone in my yard, you know, brother. You play this, me gone in my yard, you know.
Sound, the number one sound.
I want for one this, no.
Fugitive sound.
I want for one, right?
Only guns there, I'm going to tell you about the general. I'm going to tell you big up Boston, man, devil boy. The whole of Manchester, I don't know someone I just can't let you.
Listen, Black Belt.
Positive sound, original sound.
Hold on, where you go?
No matter what you do, yeah, Fugitive is killing you. Yeah. 1v1.
Pull up!
I love that one there. Black Belt.
Yeah, so me say you're dead. You is a man on the run. So guess what now? I can kill you with intelligence, you know. What you say I'm go find a while ago?
Relaying true line, Black Belt sound. And big up yourself, DJ Spiggle, Linval Thompson.
Yeah, this easy Kingston. See it, yeah.
Black Belt sound.
Wait, I'm gonna myself,
Linval Thompson says so. I really gonna kill you, some boy. You never gonna get away. Black Belt sound.
Let me show you how you do it.
The champion sound.
Yeah, they look up too long.
Look how we kill sound, and look how we bury sound. Kill them Black Belt sound. Don't let them get away. And you know the rubber dubs. Champion sound. To kill them in a double style. To kill them in a rubber dub style. The wicked, yes, the wicked. Boy,
Oh, Lord God, murder. Oh, you're not going to see who win that one again. All who say Black Belt, take that one, they make me soon now. All right, take that one on, you know. All who say Fugitive, take that one, they make me soon now. No, sir, Black Belt, I too love that. Anyway, Fugitive.
We don't worry about that, you know, brother. A tight shot boy, that shirt that barely fit you, know, brother. It has screen fit you, know, brother. We have signals where can't fit you, know.
And this is Anthony Red Rose saying,
We have signals where can't fit you, know.
yes, the Fugitive, you're dead. You piss out grass battle.
Hold on, where you go?
Hey, some sound boys on the run. Hey, can't say me never did I warn you. Now Fugitive sound kill you. So
Hold on, where you go?
the coffee can't fit you. Come on, die. No trouble, take your Lord of God. Fugitive sounds kill you.
Pull up that!
So you hear me telling us about the tune them play clear now. Watch on a belt, your time.
Earlier on, them said man give me 3-0. Eh? Why you worry about my shirt? I'm a girl supposed to worry about my shirt. Loan me clothes alone. All who say they kill him, I know. Watch out.
Black Belt and the blueprint. DJ Speaker.
All who know good music, put up your hand in my ear.
Finally, we say up. No sound. Can't give we no problem.
Hey, boy, I'm doing that. Yeah. Hey.
No sound is no sound. Can't give we no problem.
Hey, boy. Hold on, man.
Sound.
Hey,
Can't give we no problem.
that's when you play here.
No sound, no sound. Can't give we no problem.
Kill it.
That play for use and kill it.
Kill it.
Some sound we murder with this.
Yo, let me tell you now, big people dance on them in a one. No man a complain at 5 seconds and wheel up, you know. Left that for the young people and the people who want to enjoy the dub plate, virtue. I will tell you now, we're voting time again. Election time again. So you have the people, whoa. All who say, Fugitive, win the round, they make me sooner. What, 3? All who say Black Belt win the round, they make me sooner. Oh, you're the best of 7, you know, so. 3 love straight that. So hear me I say, O'Neill, CEO, say something.
Yes, my brother Peter Mitchell. When you see the winner of the clash, I got clash of Sashi, the 24th of May. See, 8 sound left on this. See, so we're going to see who are going to meet tonight. Peter.
Yeah, man, as you say, Sashi, the promoter, them a carry 4 sound from Rubber Dub and go down a Sashi. The big show where the big rapper, the pan, where name? Buster Rhyme and the whole of the American them. So inside the way, I truly love that. So watch it up, Papa. Do something and save yourself.
It's sticky for true, you know, brother. But you see me, me's a fighter, you know, brother. Me no give up, you know, brother. Real one, yeah.
Big bad song called Fugitive, so you gotta live the life you love and love the life you live, because everything I've got to mind to give. Fugitive. Run the trap. Baby, oh baby. Baby, oh baby.
Oh, you go.
Stop doing that, baby, oh baby. Wow. Baby, you did not say so. Yes, as I'm a say the fugitive, I call you, but you don't want to come. Some boy, I make you stop, you come and come. Fugitive, I kill you, but you
I make it play, man.
run. Some boy, you hear me stop, you come and come. Some fugitive, want to kill you.
Yeah, pull up that man. Come in.
I love that one there. Big up yourself, Fugitive. So hear me now, belt. Belt.
Hold on, the people. So hold on. Me fly how many miles before forward, yes, so. Him and tell me before forward, yeah. You don't see how big I need that. Big princess, I'm going to play right now. Big up all I saw them, but me alone I'll be like this. This is 3, the hard English pound way. Give me no ears for you listening.
This is Black Belt, the Blueprint, champion sound from Hanover and Florida. Now big up DJ Squiggle and Crime and all crew. This is Al Campbell alongside Jimmy London and Nicorai passing through. Yo!
Send me and say the go shop now, yeah!
Back on top. Saying, Soundboy dead. Oh, talk about sound. Yeah. It's hard to kill a champion sound like Black Belt. The ruling sound everywhere sound around. I jump and contest with the play to them chest. And it would take a miracle for a sound to lead Black Belt. They talk about sound.
I mean, put this again. I'm going to listen to Jaro. I'm going to listen to all of them. I'm put this again.
Talk about Black Belt sound. The ruling sound. How would you answer, Jimmy?
Black Belt is a sound that slowly grows and grows, not one that comes and goes. That's the sound that I wanna hear. Black Belt is a sound that mash down other sound and run them out of town.
Fugitive! Step off your view!
Here, make a ride forward. Sound boy, think you have any job?
Not up!
Yo, remember, you know, what I know, where you kick up both? All the best of 7 and them gone 3. Election time, you know. Maybe you have to lock down your laptop. So you hear me now, people? Lock down your laptop, you know, kind of look good by yourself. Alright. Never see where I go on. I wanna vote on me. All who say Fugitive win that one, they make me so down in the year. Not one. A brother they have wheeling rag, get a shame. So all who say Black Belt win that one, they make me so down in the year. Alright, so here we are, say. You see, say, you win, don't it? You win the the 2 first round, you slap it away. And you know something? Me have to big you, because me play a dub plate when me think about if me a cut dub me that play. Dean Fraser. See, you go deep. I love that man, yo. The ants man you go for. But like how you lose, say something about the people in here, I go.
Respect Robert on Thursdays, man. I love when you know. So I got more time. Big up yourself, Peter Metro. We meet enough stars when we come to Jamaican. We meet Junior outside. Peter Metro enough stars. So, me alright. Big up.
Yeah, man. So, Snagger, you make the presentation, man.
Alright, Junior Cat boy, I'm feeling for you, because them team the van. But people, this presentation I go to the champion now, because it's Robert up Thursday. We salute champion, saying, and this is the champion selector. Where your name again?
AJ Spiggle, you know. Ladies in the middle, you see it?
And Peter Mitchell said, make sure you make them wiggle. And you make them wiggle. So you see, this is the trophy from Robert of Thursday. The trophy from the champion show that circled the globe. And right on everybody in America, Canada, England, Japan, everywhere watch you. See? So, yeah. So we all give the trophy, the winning trophy. Here, sir. And bless up again. So the boss of the fire, on him famous.
How do you feel? Pick up myself, you know. Peter Mitchell, pick up myself, you know. Pick up the whole of the audience, them. You understand? It's a joy. I want to play one more song, you know. I want to play one song for the people, them, because here we go now. You see that song, yeah? I remember when I cut it, because this is my sound, and every dub on it, I revise it. You see that song, yeah? This is the set number 7 song when I revise in the box, yeah. Him tell me, say, don't kill me, but yeah, people.
What, you know? Hey, Spiggle, I hear them boy, they chat out them mouth, you know. But when them whole black belt sound, them are going to kill black belt sound. And them are going to murder Spiggle. Sound boy, go kill your thinking mama. Go kill your thinking dirty pooper sound boy. And Peter Mitchell chat the veteran. Stepping in the face with the class of a Timberland. Yeah, man, the veteran, give me some signal. Kill them boy, they come down, but they want kill. Kill what? When I'm fool, kill what? Hey boy, watch out. Digital with digital with digital. Digital with digital with digital with boy. Digital with the hey, Spiggle, tell them boy they know. And the bad
So set up him here, yeah.
We are the done, we are the done, we are the done, done, done. The done, the done, the done, the done, the true champion. We are the done, we are the done, we are the done, done, done. The done, the done, the done, the done, we kill jump on. Don't bother with it, don't bother with it, don't bother test the champion. Put up the bye bye, put up the bye bye, kill a sound man. Bye bye, put the bye bye, bye, put the bye, yes, we kill one.
Alright, you ever make me get whoa. I never even know something to do for you. So big up everybody with there. Alright, watch it now. I'm telling you, so we are giving.